Hello once again, friends. Welcome to another refrigeration HVAC Red Seal practice questions. It's now multiple choice set 44, and here is the first question. Number 1. Water vapor in the air creates its own vapor pressure, which is dependent only on A. Temperature, B. Volume, C. Mass, D. Weight. Correct answer is A. Temperature. Number 2. Relative humidity depends on both condensation rate and evaporation rate. It depends on both dew point and temperature. Blank difference between dew point and temperature means lower relative humidity. A. Smaller, B. 0, C. Larger, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Larger. Should be capital letter. Gotcha. The correct answer is C. Larger. Larger difference between the dew point and the temperature means lower the relative humidity. Number 3. Higher efficiency air conditioning equipment operates at blank head pressures. A. Higher, B. Lower, C. Constant, D. None of the above. Correct answer is B. Lower. Number 4. Impedance in AC circuits is the sum of A. Resistance, B. Inductive reactance, C. Capacitive reactance, or D. All of the above. Correct answer is D. All of the above. Number 5. Earth fault current during ground fault will be minimal in A. Grounded system, B. Low impedance earth systems, C. Ungrounded system, or D. None of the above. Correct answer is C. Ungrounded system. Number 6. Higher power factor equipment draws blank current. A. Lesser, B. More, C. 0, D. The same. Let me just correct that. Should be D. Yes, and the correct answer for number 6 is A. Lesser. Higher power factor equipment draws lesser current. Letter A. Number 7. Materials commonly used in bimetallic sensing elements is A. Brass and bronze, B. Brass and invar, C. Brass and copper, or D. Copper and nickel. Correct answer is B. Brass and invar. Number 8. When external static pressure increases, the delivered air volume blank. A. Decreases, B. Remains the same, C. Increases, D. is 0. Correct answer is A. Decreases. Number 9. 1 boiler horsepower is the energy required to evaporate 34.5 pound of water at 212 Fahrenheit in 1 hour. This is equal to A. 77,375 BTU per hour, B. 33,475 BTU per hour, C. 44,375 BTU per hour, or D. 55,475 BTU per hour. Correct answer is B. 33,475 BTUs per hour. And the last question, but not the least, number 10. 1 horsepower equals A. 33,000 foot-pounds per minute, B. 12,000 foot-pounds per minute, C. 64,000 foot-pounds per minute, or D. 550 pounds per minute. Correct answer is A. 33,000 foot-pounds per minute. Okay, hope you learned something from this multiple choice set. I'll see you again in the next Red Seal review questions. Cheers, have a good one, take care.